In today's digital age, the power of AI-driven platforms is shaping how entrepreneurs, freelancers, and side hustlers make money. And among the newest, most underutilized, yet highly profitable tools is Google VEO3, Google's state-of-the-art video generation and editing AI system. VEO3 isn't just for casual creators, it's the kind of tool that serious digital hustlers, marketers, and visionaries can leverage to build serious income streams. But while the average person sees VEO3 as a fancy video generator, the elite hustler sees it as a cash machine hiding in plain sight. Let's break down 10 proven, actionable, and lucrative ways to make money with Google VEO3, and why now is the time to capitalize before this window of opportunity closes. First and most obvious, high-end YouTube automation channels. Google VEO3 has completely changed the game for faceless content production. Previously, running multiple YouTube channels meant hiring writers, editors, voice actors, and graphic designer. Not anymore. With VEO3's text-to-video functionality, you can script, generate, edit, and finalize entire high-quality YouTube videos automatically. Whether it's finance explainers, luxury product reviews, crypto commentary, or motivational reels, VEO3 lets you pump out polished, brand-worthy content at scale. The real money here comes from running multiple niche channels, one for luxury watches, one for AI tools, one for tech reviews, and monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Elite hustlers are quietly scaling this method while the rest of the world sleeps. Next, there's creating and selling ad creatives for e-commerce brands. Shopify dropshippers, D2C brands, and Amazon FBA sellers are constantly desperate for fresh, high-converting video ads. With VEO3's power to generate ultra-realistic product showcases and lifestyle commercials from text prompts, you can now offer complete ad packs without ever holding a camera. Imagine producing 10 different video ads in a day, each tailored to specific customer demographics and product lines, and selling these for $300 or $1,000 per pack to e-commerce clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or direct outreach. Smart hustlers are packaging these AI-generated ads as high-ticket services because they know e-commerce brands need an endless supply of new creatives to win customer. The third method is launching an AI-powered UGC, user-generated content, agency. Authentic, relatable, lo-fi, user review videos are gold in the advertising world, but most small brands can't afford armies of real creators. VEO3 can solve this by generating human-like review and testimonial videos customized for any product. You can charge brands to create fake but convincing unboxing videos, how I use this clips, or reaction-style shorts, especially for TikTok and Instagram ads. Ethical debates aside, the market for AI UGC is booming, and those who master this tech early will dominate the space. Fourth on the list is selling micro-content to influencers and creators. Thousands of influencers need short-form content for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest idea pins. But not all influencers have time or skill to make these themselves. With VEO3, you can churn out packages of 10 to 30 aesthetic, trendy, niche, relevant videos for fitness coaches, real estate agents, crypto gurus, or fashion bloggers. These can include B-roll, branded intros, day-in-the-life videos, or even AI-generated explainers with stock footage blended seamlessly. Selling these content bundles on repeat to influencers is a quiet but highly profitable niche service. Fifth, and this is a hidden gem, is building and selling AI-generated course content. Online courses remain a $300 billion industry, but creating high-quality video modules is exhausting for solopreneurs. Enter VEO3. You can now script, design, and produce complete video lessons on topics like AI Marketing 101, passive income for beginners, or starting a digital nomad career without ever being on camera. Package these as white-label digital courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or directly to coaches who want ready-to-sell course content. Some hustlers even sell these course packs to corporate HR teams as training material, earning thousands per bundle. The sixth money-making machine is stock video licensing. VEO3 lets you create Ultra HD footage, cinematic drone shots, cityscapes, natural landscapes, abstract graphics that can be licensed on stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5. Each video uploaded becomes a digital asset that earns passive income every time it's downloaded. Smart operators are batch producing thousands of these clips, focused on trending niches like travel, fitness, tech, and environment. The upfront work is minimal thanks to AI generation, and the lifetime royalties can add up to serious, predictable revenue. Next, let's talk about virtual spokesperson videos for websites and landing pages. Companies, especially SaaS startups, law firms, and consultants, are using AI avatars generated via VEO3 to greet visitors, explain services, and walk through products. These AI spokesperson videos are faster, cheaper, and more flexible than hiring real presenters. As a service provider, you can offer these to businesses on Fiverr, LinkedIn Outreach, or local SEO agencies looking for fresh ways to improve conversion rates on client websites. This method taps into an evergreen demand, the need for better customer communication without the cost of real video shoots. The eighth hustle that's flying under the radar is print-on-demand video mockups. If you've ever sold t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies on Redbubble or Etsy, you know product mockups are crucial. But static photos are outdated. Video mockups showing the product in use or on models drive far more conversions. VEO3 can generate endless variations of video mockups. Models wearing your shirt designs, using your mugs in kitchens, or sporting your tote bags in urban settings. These mockups are sold as premium assets to other print-on-demand sellers or used to boost your own product listings for higher sales. The profit potential is massive because the competition hasn't caught on yet. Number 9, automated content for local business marketing. Local businesses like dentists, gyms, chiropractors, and cafes need affordable promotional videos for Google Maps, social media, and local TV ads. With VEO3, you can offer ultra-localized, branded video ads for $300 to $1,000 each, created entirely from templates and text prompts. Imagine producing a 30-second intro video for 20 dentists across different cities in a week, all tailored, all unique, none requiring filming or actors. Local SEO agencies are already paying freelancers for these services, and the demand is exploding as small businesses realize they can't ignore video marketing any longer. And finally, the 10th goldmine: AI video, newsletter, and personalized video messages for brands. Email open rates are declining, but video newsletters are booming because they capture attention instantly. You can use VEO3 to generate weekly or monthly talking head news updates for niche audiences, finance, fitness, tech, parenting, and sell these as white label content to newsletter creators, media startups, or Patreon creators. On top of that, there's the emerging trend of personalized video messages. Birthday greetings, product launches, thank you videos, all generated with AI. Brands will pay good money to automate this personalized customer engagement, and VEO3 makes it possible at scale. But here's the real secret most hustlers won't tell you. Stacking these income streams is where real wealth happens. Running Faceless YouTube channels can feed your course business. Selling AI UGC videos can drive leads to your ad creative service. Licensing stock video earns passive cash while you pitch website avatar videos to local agencies. The hustlers who build systems, linking VEO3's output into multiple parallel businesses, will out-earn those who just treat it like a one-time gig. That's how elite digital empires are born. Of course, all of this demands that you stay ahead of the curve. VEO3 is powerful, but the window before it becomes mainstream is shrinking fast. Soon, millions will catch on. Prices for AI services will drop. Competition will explode. Only those who act now, while this technology is fresh and most business owners remain clueless, will ride the first wave of serious scalable profit. The sad truth? Most will watch from the sidelines, paralyzed by doubt or waiting for perfect conditions that never come. So what's stopping you from launching your first Faceless channel tonight, or drafting your first AI-generated ad pack for a Shopify seller tomorrow? VEO3 levels the playing field for solo hustlers. It lets you act like a full media agency with zero overhead, no staff, and no studio. Whether your goal is $500 extra per month or scaling to a $50,000 per month content empire, the pieces are here right now for those bold enough to move. Here's the real kicker. The early adopters of every new Google tool have historically made millions. Those who mastered SEO early, they built six-figure blogs. Those who dominated Google Ads first, they became DTC tycoons. Now it's Google VEO3's turn. Ignore this, and in 2 years you'll wish you'd started when the playground was wide open and unregulated. In closing, remember this. Google VEO3 is not just a toy for tech enthusiasts. It's an elite hustler's money printer. but only if you treat it like one. Build systems, sell services, automate income streams. The future belongs to those who see the gold rush before the crowd.